In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can search for a string within a file and and finally print the lines which match the given search string. So for this example, I have taken a file called news.txt. Let's see the contents of the files. This is some random file from the internet with so many lines. So let's see how we can find for some particular string. Example, I would try to find this string and print the line with it. So first thing, I'll define a search string. Uh, it would be verifying, and then now I have to open the file. That will be done using this command. My file name is news.txt. Okay, once that is done, news is equal to now I have to. What I'll do is I'll read all the lines. There are multiple ways how you can read the file, but I'll be eh, reading all the lines in these examples. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to iterate through each line and search for the given string. So how that can done is for line in news, I'll check if the search string is found within the line, then I'll print line. So let's see if this works. It has to be saved first. Yes, exactly. So it found that there is one. So you can see here the string verifying was found in this file, and that was found in this line. But now say I want to print the line number, how I could do that. So there's a instead of uh, Python gives you an option to enumerate line. So if you change the syntax to it come up one, this is like what is the starting index for this enumeration. So and the syntax now will be it will give you an in for each line it will give you an index number. So what I will do is I'll take the index number and put it into say the line number which starts with 1 and goes to the count of the lines. So now here I could print line underscore number and give a nice colon separation so that it will look good. I'll save it and run it. Now it says you will find it in line number 48. Let's see. Yes, exactly. There you have now. You have searched for the strings in the file and you also printed the line number. So now let's, instead of searching for verifying, let's try to search something else which has more occurrences obviously. So if you see here, there's a lot of occurrence of this, but what it has occurred many times. And what when you do an explicit open, you'll have to do an explicit close of the file. So file underscore news dot close should also be done. Now this program will be complete. Okay, so this is one way how you can do it. And say now if you don't want to do it explicitly, see as you could as we saw here, I almost forgot to add this close. So instead of that, we could use with of keyword. When you open the file with this with keyword, you don't have to explicitly close the file. So how we could do that? So we can see that. So now see with the uh, open new txt as use file and to do for same thing here, the line number comma line in enumerate news file if it's the same. Just copy this. So let me give it a separator here just to show the difference. So both should give me the same result. So I know that verifying occurs only once. I'll run this. So you see here, this is from the first output. This is from my second type. Oh, the only difference here is that the number of lines of code is reduced, and it's more cleaner. You just don't have to, even if you forget to close the file, it still is not, it's not going to cause any memory issues. So yeah, that's how we could search. There are many things you can do it, many ways you could search it. Now one problem would be if you do search verify, yes, you won't get anything in search result because we are doing a case sensitive search. So instead, if you want to make this search case insensitive, you could convert your search string and your line to the lowercase and then search. In that case, see that the output you will find a match. And there are a lot of other things also you can do, but this is a basic format how with which how you can search the file. And yeah, that's it, I think. Okay, then, bye.